Other bilingual arrangements. Now, in the coming modules, we will discuss a number of other bilingual arrangements, and the point of all this is to allow you to think about your own bilingual, multilingual situation and see which of the formats might be of use to you. We will be looking at, for instance, a bilingual arrangement which is titled as Preview, View, and Review. What is the nature of this sort of bilingual arrangement? What are the benefits of this arrangement? And how can it be planned? Then we move on to translanguaging in the curriculum. We have discussed what translanguaging is. We talked about it a number of times in the previous modules. Now we are saying how to sort of bring in translanguaging in a formal curriculum of a school. So this is again to give you an idea how abstract terms can be used into practice and how theory and practice can come together to inform your classroom teaching and learning. We will also come back for discussing advantages of translanguaging because this is the new thing that has been emphasized, and maybe you can try it with your learners to find whether it is applicable in your context or not. There are a number of advantages of translanguaging, and the least, though not the last one, is that it reflects what is happening in the wider social context. We will be talking about also that what type of flexibility is inherent in translanguaging. How can we possibly modify it? What are the different models in which it has been used? And we will discuss it in relation to some classroom examples that have been using translanguaging. So the point again is to enable you to think of a range of possibilities that you might select from, or you might adapt, or you might just think critically about when this whole debate in Pakistan goes on regarding the medium of instruction. So how do you shift languages? Which languages are to be chosen? Because the course is about teaching and learning of languages, that is why a lot of focus comes on bilingual education programs. So what these modules will allow you to do is to rethink the role of home languages in the school. And how do you embed it in the curriculum? What do you do when what you call as a home language is not actually the home language of the child that is in your classroom? So these are the things to be thought about, and they take us back to the important point that we need to adapt them on the basis of the context or on the basis of the needs of the learners. Although some of these arrangements that we discussed have to be made at an institutional level, however, there are some arrangements that teachers can also make on their own.